Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this cabinet in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box, and this box will be 200 by 90, and the height 60. Now, I will add one segment here in the width. Okay. Press F4 so you can see the edges. Now I will add edit poly. This cabinet here is separated from this cabinet here because you can see that I have two sides close to each other. So I will start now with this one. I need first to detach these sides, okay, because they have a thickness here. So I will go to edit geometry, detach. Now they become separated from the rest of the box, you can see. So I will select them and give it a shell modifier and make not the outer, I will make the inner amount too. Now I will go back to my box and I will select the bottom part. The bottom part here, okay, detach. Also, I will extrude, but this time I will give it a shell modifier, but the amount will be 6, like this. Now I need to refine the box a little bit. You can see that is have a full length. I need to add here edit poly, select these vertex and adjust them inward. Also here, like this. I'll go to the left view. Also, I need to move to the back 2 cm. Like this. I will select the box again, and I will select this polygon over here and this polygon over here and detach. I need to first go to the front view, and I will move this vertex from the floor level 6 cm upward. Okay, and this is the rest. I will keep it as it is because it is covering the sides. Now I will select these polygons over here, and I will inset the polygons, use the type by group, and make the amount very little because I want to have a little separation between the panels, a groove. So I will type 0.1, and you can see here now I have little spacing. So, and I will extrude 2 cm. So now I have a groove between the two panels. So this is my cabinet. Now I will start with the handles. Now for the handle, I will draw a line from the midpoint over here to the base. So this line, I will give it a sweep modifier. The first option here in the built-in section is angle. And this is exactly what I need. I need this profile. So I will adjust the size, which is 2 by 2. And you can also change the radius for the corners. I will type here 0.3, like this, or 0.5. Now I will place it here. I just need to rotate 90 degrees, and now I will move it. Now I will take another copy to the other side. Use Shift, drag a copy, and then click on mirror. That's it. So this is my cabinet, the first part. Now I need to do the second one. So let me first add some material before I start with this one, so you can see it better. I will use a wood material, and here a black laminated wood for the handles. Also, I will use black aluminium material for the handle over here. And here I will add gold material. Now, I need to fix only the wood texture. I will add UVW map, box, real world map size, and I need to make this texture running vertically. So I will select X alignment in the X axis, and the same thing here. So I will just copy this UVW map, right click copy, and then you select the box here and right click, paste. Now I will go to the front view, make a copy of this cabinet over here. Now I will delete the handles and the front face, and here I have the back panel. It has the original box that I started the cabinet from. So I will close now temporarily the edit pulley. Okay, and then I will add a new edit pulley to detach this polygon over here with the same size. Unless you want to draw the plane again on top of the cabinet. But for me, I think this is easier. So the measurement will be 100% accurate. So I will detach. Now this is the new copy. Now I will just delete again this one and open the previous one. So this is the new copy over here. Now I want to make new divisions on this one, but I will first remove the material from this face. So it will be more clear for you when I start the division. I will go to utilities, more, and then here I have UVW remover, like this, and then this is the object is selected, and then I will click remove material. It will go back to original state, which is a plane, simple plane with no material. Now I will go to the front view. I just did this particular step so you can see the divisions without materials. It will be more clear to observe. Now I will move this vertex from the bottom over here 6 centimeters upward, and I will start now making the divisions for the drawers over here. So I will select these edges over here, but let me isolate the selection first. Now I will select these edges over here, and I will make one connect, which is this one, and I will lower it and give it a height 80. Now I will select these edges and I will connect to make the drawers, like this. Now for the gap between the drawers and the gap between the panel, I will first select these edges over here, and I will make chamfer. It is 1.5 with 0 segment. Now I can select these edges, I don't need them, and also here, and then press Ctrl and remove, like this. Now I can select these polygons, and I will insert to have a small groove here, and it also will separate it from the side of the cabinet. 0.1 by polygon. You can see here, now I have a small gap between the panels, so it will be visually separated from each other. Now I will use the same polygons, the inner ones, and I will extrude 2 cm outward, like this. I'll go to the left view. Now this one here is slanted a little bit downward, so I will select only the top vertex from inside, like this, and I will lower them 1 cm. Check here the status bar when you are moving the objects to see how much you are moving this vertex. Now I will go to the front view. I need here to separate the drawers from the upper panel, detach. That also will help me when I add the material. The UV mapping, I need it to run here vertically and here horizontally. Now I will just add the wood material and also the UV map for both. Box, real world size, and here UVW map, box, real world map size, and now I will make the alignment in the x-axis. So now I need just to unhide all, and this is my cabinet.